You guys made it on the top?
Yeah. And I really
We're gonna go to the salt flats. You can walk on the salt. Wait, that's full of salt. Really? Are you excited? The roadkill guys might be there.
Roadkill.
Yeah. Remember Fry Burger in Finnegan?
Wow, pernicious, huh? It was innocent enough. I just merely made this. That's the new criteria. Because anyway, look, we will not have a new hospital.
It's good water.
3-4 weeks. Yeah, I was on the right track because you're getting water in the lens. And you're not thick.
Almost. There's some people rafting in the river.
Any of these vehicles on the street?
No, we can have a maximum of 2 parking spots, and we're paying for both of them.
What you guys want to do?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah,
What happens
we can do that
so you
sometime.
can't have visitors?
Convince Grandpa to do that
They
with
have
us?
to park on the street.
Whee! Hey everyone! It's the second morning of our trip down to the Bonneville Salt Flats, and we stopped for the night in Balance Rock Campground, which is a very nice campground. And today we're going to this rock right here, Balance Rock. Balance Rock is right here. I can see Morris and Daddy and Augie's over there. It's a pretty cool little roadside attraction. It's a little steep to go up, but it's very short. So here's the road over here. Here's the road. careful going up because a few of the rocks are loose, so they might crumble when you step on it. You made it, Morris.
I just made it.
You guys made it on the top.
Yeah. And I really
Did you do it 60? So we are descending from the balance rock right above me, and it's a very steep going down as well. So we're going down. Just have to take it easy, nice and easy, slow, because these rocks are loose. So you better come here when it's not raining or anything, because this could have a landslide anytime soon because of how steep it is. My boys are already down there. Pretty much go up there. That's kind of like the challenging part of it, because the rocks are a little bit far from each other when you step on it. And here's the balance rock. Say goodbye. Going down. Meet you on the bottom. I took a little bit of a pit stop. There was this dirt road right across the balance rock. We're up on top. We camp. This is the Balance Rock Campground, and it's free and it's so pretty. This is a really nice spot. There's the creek, and we're in between canyons, so this is really nice. And they have a little bit of a greenery. There's the camper. The area is pretty. It's small, but it's really nice. There's some a couple sheds for picnics, day use picnics, and a playground, and the nice green area for tents. Although you don't want to tent on the grass during weekdays or weeknights, because the sprinkler is going to turn on. And we just got back from off-roading. Right, buddy? See those rocks right there? This is a really neat spot. Let's go down to the water. Did you hear the owl? I hear the owl. You hear him? It's somewhere over there.
At the bounce rock?
Mm-hmm.
That bounce rock?
I hear some owl. Don't get down.